Star Mission, learning English shorthand with Savitri. Today we shall discuss about the oval indication. In the previous classes, I have explained you so many times how to mark the oval for the initial strokes and final strokes. Again, it's a revision. I am just explaining you for the initial strokes how to mark the ovals. An initial oval requires the use of an initial stroke in order to give a place for the oval sign. An initial oval requires the use of an initial stroke so that we can give a place for marking a oval. So, examples are asleep, S curve, L, P. Here we are not using circle S because the S is preceded by a oval, hence I am using the stroke instead of circle. So this is the first point. When a stroke precedes a oval, we have to write the full form of a stroke and not a circle S. The next one is arrives. R, V, circle S. Arrives. R oval, I diphthong. Here also R is preceded by a oval. Then alike, L, K. R oval, I diphthong. This is here L is preceded by a oval. The next one is along, L, M, ink. R oval, O oval, along. So when a stroke is preceded by a oval, we have to write the full form of the stroke. This is the first point. Is it clear now? We will go to the second point now. Similarly, the final oval requires a final stroke. When the final stroke is followed by a oval, at that time we have to write the full form of the stroke because we have to give place for a oval. So example is, let's see, L, S, stroke S, after S, E oval, then penny, P, N, A oval, after N, E oval. Next one is carry, K, R, A oval, after R, E oval. Then funny, F, N, funny, after N, E oval. See, when the stroke followed by a oval, when the final stroke followed by a oval, we have to write the full form because here also we have to give place for a oval. To mark a oval, we need a final stroke. So the third point is words beginning with the consonant, we have to write that consonant in the briefest form. For example, sleep. Circle S, L, through the line circle is L, P, sleep. Then some, circle is M, some. Then where, this is abbreviated W and R. This is while, WH hook and I diphthong. Words beginning with the consonant, at that time that consonant has to be written in the briefest form. Here we cannot write the stroke S because S is not preceded by a oval and we have to write in the briefest form. For example, sleep, circle is L, P, circle is M, U oval, where, abbreviated W, downward R, A oval, while, this is WH, hook and L. Similarly, words ending with the consonant, we have to write that consonant in the briefest form. Here, example, less, L, circle S. See, after L, there is a S, so I wrote a circle S. I am not writing the full form of the strokes because here the strokes are followed by the oval, not preceded by the oval. Then when it is followed by the oval, either it is followed by the oval or by followed by the circle S or followed by the hook N, F, V, we have to write in the briefest form. We should not write the full form of the stroke. Def, D, F hook. Then taste, T, stilo. Then soar, circle S, downward or oval. Hope it is clear. I'll explain again. This is about oval indication. When a stroke preceded by a oval, we have to write the full form of the stroke, the first initial stroke, so that we can give a place for marking the oval. Example: asleep, arrives, alike, along. Then similarly, the final oval requires final stroke. When the stroke is followed by a oval, we have to write the full stroke, the final stroke, to give place for marking the oval. Example: let's see, L, S curve, P, N. After N, here I cannot write N hook. Here I cannot write circle S because after S there is a oval. Here after N there is a oval. Carry, K, R, after E, oval. Funny, F, N. Here also I cannot write N hook to the F because after N there is a oval. The third point is word beginning with the consonant. At that time the consonant must be written in the briefest form. Sleep, circle is L, P, circle is M for some, where abbreviated W, or while, WH, L, WH hook and L, I diphthong. Words ending with the consonant, that consonant we have to write in briefest forms. For example, less, L, circle S, A oval, def, D, F hook, A oval, taste, T, stilo, A oval, S, circle S, downward or oval. This is all about oval indication. Actually next I will explain you one paragraph, how to transcribe it into shorthand. Okay. Transcribe the paragraph into shorthand. So here I wrote a paragraph in longhand, that is in English. Now we will transcribe this paragraph into shorthand. So here I have given a hint. Here, by all means, after by there is a hyphen, after all there is a hyphen. Here, wherever I marked hyphen, it means that this is a phrase. These three words we have to write it together. Like by all means, to my, to tell you, of my. So you have to write it together. So that's why I marked a hyphen, so that you will come to know when to write the phrases. Okay. Now I'll show you how to write the paragraph, transcribe the paragraph into shorthand. Dear Dr. Fry. Dear is a grammar of Doctor above the line. Fry, F for hook, I diphthong. After this, next paragraph, you have to write with this mark. Okay. Then by all means. By all means. It's a phrase. Comma, apply. Pal, above the line. I diphthong. Apply to my phrase. To is a grammar. My. M with I diphthong. People is a grammar. People to tell you. This is to is a grammar. Tell is also grammar. You is also grammar. Of my. Of is a grammar. Travels. Travel, circle yes. Travels, oval. During the. During is grammar. The is grammar. Past. P is stilo, oval. 3 years. Years is grammar. Okay, full stop. Then I believe. I is grammar. Believe is also grammar. It will be phrase. It will be phrase. Okay, difficult. It is grammar log. Difficult. Then for you to believe. For you to believe. Okay. All they will tell you. See, this is the phrase. All they, grammar log, will, grammar log, tell, grammar log, you, grammar log. I wrote together 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 words. All they will tell you, comma, because it is. Because is a grammar log. I attached T to the because, then circle S. It is. Almost, grammar log. Almost. Beyond also grammar log. Beyond. Belief. Then full stop. Then they will tell you. They will tell you. They, grammar log, will, grammar log, tell, grammar log, you, grammar log. They will tell you a very, grammar log, attractive term, K, T, V hook, A, after term there is a vowel. Attractive story. Steal, then steal, story. R. Story, comma, all the more, grammar log, striking, circle is T, K, ing. Here circle S, T includes R hook also. Striking because of its grammar log, T, circle S, truth. So I transcribe this longhand into shorthand. See, these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 lines. When I transcribe it into shorthand, it has become 2.5 lines. Okay. Did you understand now? I'll explain again. Here, dear Dr. Fry. After that, there is a paragraph. For writing paragraph, you have to write this mark. By all means, it's a phrase. Apply I diphthong to my I hook to my people, grammar log, to tell you, to grammar log, tell, grammar log, you, grammar log, of my travels, turn, vowel, circle yes, vowel, during grammar log, during we have to write it in dark. Here, people with the light, belief with the dark. During the past, peace, steal, vowel, 3 years. Here, grammar log, circle is. I believe it will be. All the 3 are grammar logs, words are grammar logs. Will be difficult. Difficult. D with F hook. Difficult for you to believe, grammar log. All they will tell you, comma, because here they will tell you, 5 words are there, I wrote together. Because is grammar log, T, circle is almost, beyond, belief. Full stop. They will tell you a very attractive term, K, T, V hook, a vowel, after term there is a vowel, story, comma, steal, R, O vowel, after R there is a E vowel. All the more grammar log, striking, circle is turn, K, ing, I vowel, I diphthong, because of its truth. So you have to practice more exercises. It is available in Pitman English shorthand, and you have to practice the phrases and grammar logs regularly so that you can remember whenever you want. If you have any doubts, you can WhatsApp me to my mobile number 7892247571. With this, I am concluding today's class. Please subscribe to my channel to get more videos on English shorthand. Happy learning. Take care. Bye bye.